These inventions will make all your work easier, and if you don't believe us, stay until the end to find out. The Zalone Spout team has revolutionized the land leveling process with their innovative tool, which resembles a harrow. Although its design may appear simple, its effectiveness in complex tasks makes it an invaluable ally for gardeners and landscapers. This tool is ideal for preparing surfaces before laying turf or paving, and is also indispensable for maintaining bridleways. What makes it really invaluable is that its modular design allows it to be adapted to different territories, thus optimizing the work on each project. Different models are available with different working widths and prices, allowing users to choose the option that best suits their needs. For example, the 182cm version costs $679, offering excellent value for money for those looking to optimize their land leveling projects. With Zalone Spa, achieving a perfect finish has never been easier. The Hilti SPN6A22 is the ideal cordless shear for professionals who need to make precise cuts in metal profiles and sheets. One of its outstanding features is its interchangeable head system that allows 360-degree rotation, making it easier to work in tight and hard-to-reach spaces. And that's not the most impressive thing. Its ability to work without cables eliminates mobility restrictions, allowing users to maneuver freely in any environment. This versatility makes it an essential tool in any workshop or construction site. Capable of cutting steel up to 2 millimeters thick, the Hilti SPN6A22 stands out, not only for its power but also for its design, which minimizes sparks and vibration during cutting, making it safer and more comfortable to use. To enjoy all these benefits, you only need to invest $915. The Hilti SPN6A22 puts precision and efficiency at your fingertips. Rothenberger has innovated with its Rockelier tool, designed with a two-in-one concept that offers users a practical solution for both deburring and calibrating. Its automatic adjustment system adapts to different diameters, ensuring precise cuts without the need for multiple tools. This versatility allows customers to optimize their work and save time when finishing their projects. Available in different versions, the model presented here is ideal for diameters from 16 to 32 millimeters, while there's a larger option that can handle sizes from 40 to 63 millimeters, with prices ranging from $61 for the smallest version to $128 for the largest. The Row Caliber positions itself as an accessible and effective tool for those seeking quality and performance in their work. With Rothenberger, every cut becomes a more precise and efficient experience. The Robert Staple Hammer Stapler changes the way you approach your projects, making many tasks more enjoyable and efficient. This tool is designed to help you work faster without compromising on precision, making it an ideal choice not only for carpets, but also for insulation, roofing felt, and other materials. This is just a small sample of what it can do. Its quick charge technology allows you to reload in seconds, maximizing your working time. Its intuitive design allows you to load up to 1,609 half-inch staples in just a few simple steps, saving you time and effort. It also features a comfortable grip and excellent balance for long, fatigue-free use. Priced at $40, the Robert Staple Hammer Stapler is a valuable investment for those who demand quality and performance from their tools. It'll make any project easier and more enjoyable. Leicester engineers are true experts in the field of plastic and geomembrane welding, and their Comet 700 hot wedge welding machine is proof of that. And of course, beauty without performance is only an illusion. But here, efficiency remains at a superior level. Its ability to produce consistent temperatures ensures a perfect seal, even under adverse conditions. Ideal for working with materials such as HDPE and LDPE, this powerful tool offers exceptional performance with working speeds up to 8 meters per minute. Equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity, the Comet 700 is designed for precise control during the welding process. Its 9cm wedge makes it easy to handle membranes up to 3 millimeters thick, ensuring consistent, high-quality results. On completion of the job, you can generate a detailed digital report using the LQS system to efficiently document every step of the process. The Leicester Comet 700 takes plastic and geomembrane welding to a new level of innovation and functionality. The Viper VP13 AI Gen 3 is the pneumatic system every body shop needs. All these make this tool a wonder, but what really sets it apart is that it's designed to work with a variety of vehicles, from small cars to large agricultural machinery. Specifically designed to make tire fitting easier, this powerful tool can handle up to 12 atmospheres of pressure, making it an ideal option for even large agricultural machinery. Weighing only 7.3 kilograms and featuring smart handles that provide a comfortable grip, the Viper VP13 AI Gen 3 is easy for one person to handle, maximizing efficiency on the job. Priced at $449, this pneumatic system offers performance and value for money for those looking to equip their workshop with high-quality tools. The Viper VP13 AI Gen 3 makes every tire fitting a simpler and more efficient task. Introducing the Ibenstock EOF 100.1 Sanding and Milling Machine, the ideal solution for anyone who needs to remove paint, varnish, or other coatings from 0.1 to 1 millimeters thick. Check this out. Its integrated extraction technology not only keeps the work area clean, but also improves the quality of the finish. As well as its efficiency, this tool has advanced safety features that prevent accidental activation and protect against overload, ensuring safe and reliable use. With an output of 1400 watts, the Ibenstock EOF 100.1 is designed to deliver superior performance for any task. It also has a connection for a vacuum cleaner to help keep the work area clean and dust-free. The machine is compatible with 10-centimeter diameter discs, making it versatile and easy to use for different projects. Priced at $472, the Ibenstock EOF 100.1 is a valuable investment for those seeking quality and efficiency in their sanding and milling operations. Ibex has carved out a unique niche in the market by specializing in sandblasting machines, and its standard model, the Phoenix, is an excellent example of its commitment to quality and innovation. With a working pressure of 7.5 atmospheres, the Phoenix is designed to deliver superior performance in a wide range of applications. But what really sets these tools apart is their incredible ability to adapt to any type of surface, making any task a breeze. Equipped with a 10-meter hose and a remote control system, this machine is comfortable and efficient to use. In addition, the Phoenix can work with particles from 38 to 1400 microns, providing exceptional versatility. From delicate wood restoration to powerful rust removal, this tool is adaptable to a wide range of tasks, making every job easier and more effective. And we haven't even mentioned the best part yet. At around $3,000, the Ibex Special Cleaning System is a valuable investment for professionals looking for a powerful and reliable cleaning solution. The Marshalltown Power Travel is an essential tool for anyone looking to improve the quality of freshly poured concrete. Its rotating design not only smooths out small imperfections on the surface, but also compacts the concrete, ensuring a more uniform and durable finish. With a speed range from 50 to 130 RPM, this tool is suited for different types of concrete, adapting to the specific needs of each project. The model with a working diameter of 91 centimeters is ideal for larger jobs and is available at a price of €3,683. The Festool OF1010 is a vertical router that stands out not only for its price of $1,364, but also for its many features that make it an essential tool for woodworking professionals. Its wide range of accessories allows the router to adapt to different applications. One of its main advantages is the ease with which the depth of cut can be adjusted in just a few seconds, with a precision of up to 0.1 millimeters and a cutter travel of 55 millimeters. The built-in lighting is also a plus, as it significantly improves visibility of the working area, allowing more precise and detailed cuts. The Still RGB KM is a robust herbicide designed specifically for use in areas close to asphalt roads, concrete curbs, and similar surfaces. Although they are incredible, its innovative design includes two discs that rotate in opposite directions, which not only increases the effectiveness of brush cutting, but also significantly reduces the risk of damage and injury from flying debris. With the Still RGKM, you can safely clear weeds at a distance of up to 3 meters from vehicles and 5 meters from people, making it an ideal tool for maintaining public and private spaces, priced at around $57. For tile installers looking for efficiency and precision, the Rubus Scraper 250 is an essential tool. This electric scraper has been specially designed to remove grout between tiles, making the job much easier. But this one feature isn't enough to make it an exceptional tool. It has much more to offer. Unlike other tools that rely on friction, the Rubus Scraper 250 uses an innovative pulling action. This method offers a number of advantages, including self-guidance of the blade within the joint, ensuring a cleaner and more precise finish. In addition, the model has 3 adjustable speeds, allowing users to select the setting that best suits their needs. The RubaScraper 250 comes with two standard blades, one 1.5 millimeters wide and the other 3 millimeters wide, providing versatility in the type of grout that can be removed. Price approximately $190. The Klauk Micro EK50ML is the ideal crimping tool for anyone working with cables and looking for efficiency and ease of use. This innovative tool combines the advantages of both electric and mechanical models, offering the best of both worlds. Want to know what else is neat about this tool? With an impressive crimp force of 15 kN, the EK50ML can perform up to 145 crimps on a single battery charge, making it an exceptional choice for those with high workloads. It also features a manual pre-crimp function, which helps to conserve battery power and maximize efficiency during use. Designed for comfort and ease of use, the EK50ML can be conveniently operated with one hand, making it easier to use in confined spaces or situations that require greater maneuverability. Priced at $1,127.